Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the rope is the problem. Trace it through pulleys and rungs until you find frays or a break. Cut away damaged rope and measure the needed replacement length from the top pulley to the bottom rung plus 2-3 feet for knots. Once done, prepare the replacement rope by melting or whipping the ends to prevent fray. Make sure to have your small tape and pliers ready so the next steps move quickly and cleanly. You now thread the new rope exactly where the old one ran. Feed it through the top sheave, down the rope channels in the rails, and into the bottom pulley or hook. Once seated, pull the running end so the rails align. You want no slack. Tie a secure figure eight or a double overhand at the ladder foot or hook, cinching tight so the knot seats against the stopper. Make sure to dress the knot neatly, then trim and melt the tail so it won't slip. You finish by cycling the ladder slowly, watching the rope run through pulleys and checking for catch points. Extend and retract several times under a small load to seat everything. If you see slipping or gradual pull-through, stop and ready the knot with a longer tail or check the sheave for wear and replace it if grooved. Once satisfied, trim and melt the rope tail, wrap with tape or whipping, and retest. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.